So these are the ingredients for the trifle: the fruit, mixed fruit cocktail in mixed fruit juice, custard, Jello. This is the sponge cake. I'm gonna be using rum, Jamaican rum, and Jamaican red label wine, and this is the vanilla. Cut the sponge cake in half. This is the mixed fruits, and you're gonna add it on top. You have to strain it off, the juice. I'm gonna add a little bit of rum, just a little bit. Now this is the Jello, strawberry Jello. I cook it with 1 cup of hot water, and then you add cold water at the end. So you're gonna put it in. So it'll be at the bottom of the cake. So I'm going to be making the custard with heavy cream, and this is the custard. That was about a half. I'm going to add more. It depends on your portion. I'm just making a small trifle, so I'm not going to be using too much. So I'm just going to add about 3 spoons or 4. I'm adding half a cup of sugar to the custard, and you're going to continue stirring until it's very thick. I'm going to add a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm going to add about 2 spoons of rum to the custard. I'm going to also add red label wine to the custard. And you can add taste to your desire. Continue stirring until it starts getting thick, because it can easily burn to the pot, so you have to continue stirring. Once it starts getting thick like this, you remove it from the stove and you continue stirring. So it looks like this, very creamy and soft. All the lumps are out, so it's ready now to add to the top. So you now add the custard on top of the mixed vegetable. Sorry, that is mixed fruits. So you're gonna cover this and put it in the fridge. You could leave it for about 4 hours, but I'm gonna leave it for 1 day. Okay? And then after you finish, you put whipped cream. I'll show you at the end what that looks like. I actually cut this after 6 hours and it wasn't ready, so it was ready the next day. So make sure that you keep it in the fridge for 24 hours. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.